The new ComboDrive X3 T8 Tube from Keystone. A UL Type A&B tube, it's the only tube you need. Featuring color select technology with 5 selectable color temperatures: 6500, 5000, 4000, 3500, and 3000 Kelvin. Use them as either a UL Type A LED tube with an instant start ballast or a UL Type B LED tube in a ballast bypass application. When using our lamp with an existing ballast, remove the fluorescent lamp and install without any changes to the wiring. The ComboDrive tubes in Type B applications use direct line voltage, can be wired with single or double-ended wiring, and can work with both shunted and unshunted sockets. The ComboDrive LED tube is more than 50% more energy efficient than legacy lamps, feature a 50,000 plus hour lifetime, and are dimmable with compatible dimming ballasts. They are available in 2, 3, and 4 foot lengths. And with color select and Type A and B applications, this one lamp will save space and handle any replacement needs. And Keystone offers 6-inch and 1-inch U-bend versions, giving you color selection and versatility in nearly any environment. These 15-watt tubes feature color temperatures of 6500, 5000, 4000, 3500, and 3000 Kelvin. The new ComboDrive X3 T8 tube from Keystone. It's the only tube you need. That's Keystone. Light made easy.